With the same formula subtotal, let us see what was the total count of product on which Morgan has got his average unit price and average sales which was achieved. So use the formula subtotal equals subtotal and open the bracket and select count for this formula. For count, we need to use 2 and enter the comma and select the range. So this is a small items. So we know that count will be 3. You can copy the formula across other cell to find out the count for other representative. Let us filter and select the another representative. After selecting the representative, it will give you the count for that representative. For representative Andrews, there are 4 count because there is 4 entries. For units, unit price and sales, since there are 4 entries, that will be the count for that representative Andrews. If I select another user, another representative, you will get 4 entries again and the count will be 4. So this is how you can use count function, and using the filter option you can filter and simply get the desired result. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.